Welcome to DG Press, a manufacturer and service provider for web offset printing presses located between the meadows and forests near Eerbeek, a small town in the middle of the Netherlands. DG Press has a 15,000 square meter facility from which the company serves its worldwide customer base. The people of DG Press have decades of experience in developing web offset printing presses. A healthy mix of young and experienced professionals combine tradition, creativity, and innovation. Key to DG Press's success. DG Press's motto is to look beyond the press. The company believes in the importance of services to help customers in keeping their printing presses running. DG Press maintains printing presses on site and offers quick troubleshooting. The help desk is open every day. Responsiveness is key for DG Press to deliver the highest level of service support to their customers. Through phone, internet, shipment of spare parts, and with service engineers traveling around the world, DG Press helps to guarantee the uptime of their customers' printing presses. The company owns a large warehouse of original spare parts for Drent Gerbel printing presses and deals in pre-owned and refurbished machines and modules. The company has extensive knowledge of Drent Gerbel machines and is owner of its intellectual property. In 2015, DG Press introduced the Thallo Web Offset Printing Press, a new generation press which is equipped with the latest technologies and some never-seen-before features. The Thallo is made for printing on flexible materials and targets the growth market of flexible packaging. DG Press's experience with web offset printing on film is unmatched anywhere in the world. DG Press offers more than printing presses. It has two sister companies, EMB Technology and MIHS. EMB Technology developed a coating machine and MIHS a can unwrapping system. DG Press is committed to the local community and offers a good working environment. The company has an open culture, short decision lines, and a pleasant and committed team. DG Press is sponsor of International Cat Sailing and organizes many team-building activities through the year. DG Press offers service and innovation for you.